right here where you see the exposed crack right here, we're gonna fill this with our spray foam can foam. This just helps stop the air drafts and the electrical pipes right here too as well. Just fill them up. This is a part of air sealing the attic so that all the air and heat can stay up in the attic to where it keeps you cool in your house. So we go around each everywhere, fill up the cracks like this with foam gun. And then that, like I said, that helps protect it because these live wires right here, as you run heat through them, they do get hot. So the foam helps keep the heat from rising into the house. So key thing about when you do removal on attics is always best to get an air seal. That way it helps lower your cost. It's not as best as spray foam installation, but if you're going to try to get it somewhat close to it, you got to take the right precautions, you know, and make sure you get your attic bulletproof. So that's all for the video right now. Like, up, share, subscribe, click the link below for more in-depth information. Thank you. Go ahead and do this everywhere. Start from over here more. We just got the attic all cleaned out, air sealed, sanitized. Now we just blow them back in. New cellulose insulation, roughly about 12 inches. So when it settles at 10, it'll be an R38, which is standard insulation code for an attic. Purpose of us removing it, air sealing it, that way it holds in all the heat up in the attic, so where the AC won't constantly, or the heating unit won't constantly just kick on and off. And we blocked all the holes off there was to keep it from doing that, so won't have to worry about this for another 10 to 15 years when it settles down. But this is pretty much, to get blown in insulation, you need a yearly consultation, whatever company you go with, because you know it does settle due to the climate control changes. When it gets hot, cold, you know, what it does is the purpose to heat it from being cold in the house. That's what it does. So we got it all going in, and we'll show you our next process of drilling on the exterior walls. About that other one over there.